done showing myself off. So guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful ginger detox tea. This recipe is crazy, and trust me, if you take this for 2 weeks straight, oh my god, I tried it and it's mad. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to prepare this ginger recipe, and it's easy to make. Not just that, the benefits are whoa. It's going to help you gain a flat tummy. It gives you a whole lot of things, glowing skin, like a whole lot. What do you have to lose? Nothing. So do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell. Trust me, we have a whole lot of tips on how to lose weight, on how to gain flat tummy, and how to eat healthy. A whole lot of things. Okay, let's get our coffee. That's that. Okay, I'm terrible. So do not forget to click the notification button. Don't. Okay, I'm done. Okay. So you add 1.5 sachets of water. You add full big spoon of ginger. Be very generous with your ginger. Then you squeeze in lime. You won't know what lime does to the body, right? Throw it there to boil together. Then you add 1 spoon of pure honey. Let it boil for just 1 minute. Then you sieve. Trust me, if you take this every day for just 1 week, I promise you, you will thank me. Like you're going to buy me a car. Okay, I'm going too much, but yeah, this shit works wonders. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. We have a lot to do together. I'm still here. Thank you. I think I'm still here. So please subscribe and turn on your notification bell.